Hey, what's up, YouTube? I'm here with my 2013 United SU2 Supreme. It's in blue. If you saw my last video, I unboxed it. Let's get to it. Up top, I have Colt Faith grips with Odyssey pink par bar ends. See on that side? What the fuck? Got stock United bars, I think 8.25 high, 28 wide. Got stock United stem, purple Shadow Conspiracy hollow bolts all the way around. Up top got stock cap, but stock United headset, stock United frame, stock United forks, stock wheel, stock tire, sealed hub. Shadow Conspiracy padded seat, so comfy, I love it. Stock pivotal post, white Odyssey Twisted PC pedals, stock crank, stock bomb bracket, stock wheel, full valve caps. On this side we got stock sprocket, half-link chain, and that's pretty much my bike, guys. So rate, comment, like, subscribe. Ask me any questions about the bike, I'll be glad to answer. Peace.